How to download Adobe InDesign for free on PC. So if you want to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just go with your search and then search for Adobe. After searching, you can go with the first one, which is www.adobe.com, and now you can go with your location. Select your location. After selecting your location, now you can just simply scroll down and go with free trial, which is on the left side. And once you go with the free trial, here you will have three options: individuals, business, and students and teachers. So you just need to simply go with any option that you're comfortable with. And then as you can see that it says you can try the full version of Adobe apps with a 7-day free trial, and you will have 14 days after your free trial ends to cancel and get a full refund. So you need to make sure that you've selected this option, which is add a 7-day free trial, and then go with continue. And after that, you'll need to go with your payment method. So add your credit or your debit card and then continue to the verification. After adding your payment method or after paying for that, then you will have Adobe InDesign for free on your PC. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.